In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix issues you're experiencing when trying to log into the Barclays Bank app. Let's walk through some common troubleshooting steps that should help resolve these login problems and get you back on track. First and foremost, it's important to ensure that your internet connection is active and stable. You'll want to check if you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. A quick way to verify your connection is to open another app or website to see if it loads smoothly. If everything appears to be working, then your internet isn't the culprit. Next, let's try restarting the app itself. Close the Barclays app completely. This typically involves swiping it away from your recent apps list. Once it's closed, reopen the app and attempt to log in again. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes to fix minor glitches. If restarting the app doesn't work, you might need to update it. Head over to the App Store if you're on an iPhone or Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. Search for Barclays and see if an update is available. If there is, tap on the update button. Outdated versions of apps can often lead to login issues, so keeping your app up to date is always a good practice. Forgetting your passcode is another common obstacle. If that's the case, look for the Forgot Passcode option on the login screen. Follow the instructions provided to reset it. You might need to use your account details or a device like PinSentry to complete this process. Sometimes, the problem might not be with the app or your credentials, but rather your device. Try restarting your phone. A quick restart can refresh your device's system and potentially resolve any errors or freezes you experienced. If you've attempted these solutions and are still unable to log in, consider uninstalling the Barclays app. Go ahead and delete it from your device, then head back to your app store to reinstall a fresh copy. Once it's reinstalled, try logging in again using your account details and complete any necessary security setup steps. These troubleshooting steps should help you fix login problems with the Barclays app. Remember, maintaining a stable internet connection, keeping your app updated, and occasionally refreshing your device are key to smooth app performance. I hope this guide has been helpful, and that you'll be able to get back to managing your accounts with ease. If problems persist, you may want to reach out to Barclays customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with getting your app working perfectly again.